Kyk, little ones, today we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Kies die woord met a. So that means that you're going to choose the word with a in it. Ons gaan die regte woordjie kies met 'n a in die middel. I'm going to give you 3 words and a picture, and you have to see which word matches the picture. Are you ready? Here we go. Kat, mat, rak. Ja, dis mat. Nag, sak, lag. Lag. Tas, tak, lam. Dit is 'n tas. Das, rak, bal. Jy's reg, dit is 'n bal. Gat, man, tak. Gat. Wat is die? Is dit 'n das, lam of 'n tak? Jy's reg, dit is 'n lam. Man, sak, bal. Sak. Dak, bal, das. Dit is 'n dak. Pan, man, dak. Pan is die regte antwoord. Das, man, hop. Ja, dis das. Was, man, kar. Man. Kar, kan, kas. Jy's reg, dis 'n kar. Nar, rak, was. Rak is die antwoord. Kat, bal, was. Dit is was. Kat, bal, sap. Sap. Tak, bil, das. Dit is 'n tak. Das, nat, nar. Die antwoord is nat. Baie mooi, maats. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Thank you, everybody. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Be safe and take care. Bye.